Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Monster job tracking for efficient follow-ups, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Monster job tracking for efficient follow-ups, start by logging into your Monster account. Navigate to the Jobs section on the main dashboard. Click on Job Tracker from the available options. Begin by creating a new job entry by clicking the Add Job button. Input the job title in the designated field. Next, enter the company name where you applied. Include the job posting URL for easy reference. Fill in the application date and any relevant notes about the position. Set the status of your application to applied. You can also mark the job as a favorite for quick access later. Move to the follow-up section of the job entry. Set a reminder for follow-up based on the company's typical response time. Consider using specific dates or intervals for your reminders. Once all information is entered, click Save to store the job details. Repeat this process for any additional job applications you have. Return to the job tracker frequently to review statuses and reminders. Use the Notes section to keep track of any communications you have with recruiters. Regularly update the status of each application as you progress through the hiring process. Make use of the filter options to sort your jobs by status, company, or date. This will help streamline your job tracking and follow-up efforts. Stay organized and proactive in your search for the best opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.